You step on your brake pedal and the brake pedal moves further than usual, and you ask yourself what could probably be wrong. If you notice this situation, given the critical role of the braking system in the vehicle's safety, any sign should be addressed immediately, and driving the vehicle should be avoided until repairs are made. Hello guys, I'm TigerG and this is TigerG Virtual Garage. Here it's all about automotive parts, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop your comments in the comment section. In a previous video, we discussed about the parts and operation of the wheel cylinder. If you haven't watched that video, click in the link in the description below. So guys, let's continue. When you notice that the brake pedal is moving further than usual, go and check the level of the hydraulic fluid in the brake hydraulic reservoir, which is located under the hood just above the brake master cylinder. And if you notice that the level is below minimum or empty, know that something is wrong. This brings us to today's discussion, which is signs of a failing wheel cylinder and how we can solve them. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. The most common sign is a spongy brake pedal, which occurs when the cylinder leaks hydraulic fluid, compromising its ability to pressurize and extend the piston, causing the pedal to feel soft or sink towards the floor when pressed. Due to loss of pressure, there will be poor braking response, where the vehicle takes longer to stop or delay in braking, or the car pulls to one side during braking, thus increasing the risk of accident. In this case, you can change the seal or the entire wheel cylinder. Another sign is the presence of brake fluid leaks, which can be seen as a thin film on the back plate, drips or pools of fluid on the ground near the rear wheels or tire. These leaks often originate from worn-out rubber seals within the cylinder. In such a situation, change the seal or replace the entire wheel cylinder. In some cases, a failing wheel cylinder can be stuck in the on position, causing the brake shoe to remain in a constant contact with the drum, resulting in a grinding noise, a burning smell, and an excessive heat buildup. This is due to dust and rusting of the interior walls of the wheel cylinder due to worn-out dust cover. Thus, the free movement of the piston is hindered. In such a situation, you'll need to replace the entire wheel cylinder, and also you'll need new brake shoes installed. While these symptoms are strongly associated with the wheel cylinder's failure, they can also stem from issues with the master cylinder or brake line. So a professional diagnosis is recommended. In our next video, we'll be servicing the wheel cylinder. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment. See you in our next video as we keep going together. Bye bye.